Hi, welcome to the All Cases Here. In this video we are going to talk about the 3 best Samsung Tab S8 Ultra protective cases you can buy on Amazon. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality, features and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra is the most premium tablet the company has ever made, and it's packing a lot of improvements and power beneath that massive 14.6-inch screen. Larger than many laptops, it's only natural that if you get one of these bad boys, you should also get something to protect it or even add functionality to it. At launch, there weren't many third-party accessories for the largest of the Tab S8 series, but the cases are finally pouring in, and we've compiled a list of the best Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra cases for every style and budget. I have prepared this video guide for the 3 best Samsung Tab S8 Ultra protective cases, so let's get started. 3:Zeeking designed. If all you want is basic protection for your device with no bulk, this Zeeking case might be a little better for you, especially for the price it commands. Unlike the other options, this isn't really a cover, but rather a phone case. It's a clear case that lets you show off the Samsung branding and your preferred color while also providing basic protection against minor drops and scuffs. Finally, it's only $13, making it by far the most affordable option on this list. Specifically created compatible with the 14.6-inch Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. The back edge frost is transparent. Slim and light, with tough and flexible TPU and a good hand feel. Raised edges and 4 corners protect the screen of your device from scratches and bumps caused by accidental drops and falls. Reasonable design allows direct access to all buttons, controls, speakers, camera, and other features without having to remove the device. The phone and shell fit perfectly thanks to the innovative dot pattern design. Please contact us first if the product does not meet the deadline. We will address the issue as soon as possible. 2:ZTO Top Cases. This elegant PU leather folio case from ZTO Top Cases looks like a businessman's diary. An additional rubber band secures your S Pen, and the large cover protects your Tab S8 Ultra nicely. The top pocket holds cards, sheets of paper, and other small scraps. Compatibility with the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra 14.6-inch 2022. No other model will fit. Please check the model of your tablet before purchasing. Excellent craftsmanship with high-quality synthetic PU leather shields your Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra from scratches, shocks, and accidental drops. The tablet's 4 corners are fully protected. Multiple slots allow you to configure multiple horizontal stand angles for watching movies or typing, providing you with the most comfortable user experience. When you close the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra case, your device will go to sleep, and when you open the case, it will immediately wake up. Save more energy and extend the life of your tablet. Keep business cards, notes, and bills in the front pocket. 1:Color Keyboard Case. The first-party Samsung keyboard cover for the Tab S8 Ultra is pricey and not included with the tablet. The Hangui Color keyboard case is superior in every way. It looks better, costs less, and has more vibrant color options. You also get a detachable Bluetooth keyboard in the same color scheme. This keyboard case is designed to work with the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra 14.6 Android tablet 2022. In 2021, the most recent design, colorful and adorable round key keyboard. The magnetic separate keyboard is compatible with 3 operating systems, Windows, Android, and iOS. It is not only compatible with the Galaxy tablet, but also with other tablet computers and mobile phones. The keyboard includes multifunction shortcut keys, allowing you to take a screenshot, lock your screen, or adjust volume with a single click. By combining FN with other keys, you can make your tablet as useful as a laptop. The soft TPU back cover has a non-slip design and can support the tablet from multiple angles. The protective case includes a pencil holder. So guys, this was the video about the 3 best Samsung Tab S8 Ultra protective cases. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.